Okay guys, it's going to be a bit of a loud one this one. Yeah, you're not seeing things guys.
It's like water taking a swig of the beer.
There you go. Dinosaurs have come back to Benidorm.
Adults don't point next to one.
Thank you Marcus. Yeah, Benidorm's getting busier and busier now. Nice to see after the last couple of years obviously. All back open now. It's looking busy guys. There guys, car up the just behind me there. Right, push car to his let's get out of the way. Not too busy down at Rock Chicken. Probably busy inside. Yeah, carry on. Jojo's got a few in. There you go, at the back there. Whoa. Why not bar leave? One afternoon bar that. Dinosaur again, following us. Hotel California there. Pretty busy. Trying to get past there before they get the music back on. Yeah, I've done pretty well just slightly. Not getting copyrighted. Just on the sea I'll get copyrighted now. That's Hotel California. Where was that one? Western Saloon. Oh, sorry guys. We're on bar there. They're not used to seeing that open yet. The first bar was Western Saloon, obviously. This is Hotel California. Come on Marcus, why didn't you correct me? Loads of people back tonight. Crown got loads in there. Crown there. Absolutely packed. Nice to see. So I just try to get back to normal. It was dead quiet when I went in there the other night. I don't think it's going to be quiet tonight. Come back. Try this out. There we go. What's your mum doing, Marcus?
I honestly don't know.
I'll go and find out. Well, I can cope there.
She's okay, she's okay.
Yeah, it's absolutely packed down here tonight.
Hello, this one. Going in here.
There we go. There's Rockefellers. Good night in there, guys.
Tony's body next show. Rock and roll.
We got the red line over there.
That's a guy on stilts.
Oh yeah, the guy on stilts up there. We can go and get him. There he is. One way to get them in. Make yourself taller than everybody else. Starting to liven up a bit now. Oh, that'll be good. The Australian bar, the outback there. Okay guys, I'm ending this video here. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to PayPal me under the videos. I think I've got a cup to catch up on that. It's a bit under most of my videos anyway. If you want to see more of Benidorm, what's the ones coming up in the card next? We'll see you on the next one. See you in a minute.